Yeah, that thing's
Ow!
really good to freaking like put your pencils in and erasers in.
Is that what you did with it?
Yeah, walking around in class because I couldn't wear it.
So you carried it around classes with you?
Yeah, every class I went to, I
What
had
did
it.
the teachers do with it?
They didn't say anything.
Did they look at you funny?
No.
Your hair
Well,
looks really beautiful.
when we went to social
wanna
studies,
curl
Lee
your-
Wilson took it and put it on his head, and the teacher told him that he looked pretty.
You gotta be kidding.
No
I
joke.
want to curl your hair, like one piece. Can I do it? My hair curler's right over there.
Go ahead.
Can I curl these two pieces in the front?
Yeah, go ahead.
What's your name?
Erica.
What's my name?
Angie.
What are we?
I love you, hoes.
Can't see me farther. And how long we been best friends?
Like a year now, going on 2.
Oh! Ow. Kinda hurt. My little homie. What do you say? Say goodbye. Goodbye. We'll miss you. Farewell. Oh, no, it's not like a bunch of bubbles in my throat. Say hi, Erica.
Hi, Erica.
What's up with your hair?
I don't know.
Do you think it's pretty?
Yes.
Get moving. Be a model. I'm not sure that's how they walk, but that's good.